Hi all, I just wanted to make a quick screencast to show you how to sign up for your online textbook and also how to navigate it quickly for when you want to actually use it at home. This will be especially useful if you missed class or if your internet was not working when I showed you guys how to sign up during our class time. So first things first, you have to be at a page where you can access a search engine. I typically use Google. And then the name of our textbook company is TCI. So type in TCI into the Google search engine. You'll want to go to this one right here. It's the very first link. And it should take you to a screen that looks like this. Since you are a student, what I want you to do next is go up here to the right hand part of the screen where it says Student Sign In and click that button. Hold on just a sec because I have to sign out. Then you should see a screen that looks like this. Since this will be your first time signing in, you actually have to create an account. So make sure you hit this green button right here. Here's how I would then enter information to create your account. Make sure you use my Stargate email address, david.deford@stargateschool.org, in the teacher email or username. Use your own last name here and your own first initial here. Create a username for yourself. I would suggest your last name and first initial, but you just want to make it something that is easy to remember. I would tell you to do the same thing for your password, something that you're used to using as a password perhaps, so that it's not having to reinvent the wheel every time you try and log into your TCI account. Remember that at any time I can reset your password, so it's not the end of the world if you forget it, but try to make it something memorable. Once you've done all these steps, go ahead and hit the Create Account button. That will then take you to a screen that looks like this. Make sure that you sign up for the period in which you see me. So it could be period 1, period 2, period 3. Make sure that you're in the right class, and then go ahead and choose that class. And this is what your textbook looks like. So let me show you quickly how to navigate it. So this is the table of contents. Over the course of the year, we will be taking certain chapters from this book, and anytime we're doing an assessment, just know that the chapters can all be found right here in the table of contents. All the navigation tools are over here. For instance, let's say that we're in the middle of chapter 1. If you're at home and you want to get some more work done, you would go here, Tools of Geography. This is the actual textbook right here. You navigate it by making sure you're in the right chapter, and it will tell you right there, and then you can navigate the sections by using this drop-down arrow. These are all the sections that make up chapter 1. If we're at the end of the chapter and you want to use our online textbook to review for a quiz, I would recommend using this lesson game feature, which looks like this. These are comprehension questions to see, like a self-test, to see how well you understood a unit. I would also recommend using the vocab cards. The vocab cards are the definitions and like in a card format, of all the content terms, the geo terms that we will use as we study these chapters. Those are really the main features that I would use. If we go back to the text, it will take you back to the chapter, and you can go ahead and utilize the main ideas feature as well, as long as you're not in the intro, so sorry about that. You can use the main ideas feature as well. This is helpful if you want to condense the information, and you can also have it played for you. So all those things make up your online textbook. This tutorial hopefully helped you to sign up if you weren't able to in class, and gave you an idea of how to use this book. Thank you for your time.